एंड आई जस्ट रियलाइज कि मेरा लाइट जो मैं लगाई हूँ प्लांट पे इट वॉजंट ऑन. आधे से ज़्यादा वीडियो शूट हो चुका है एंड इट वॉजंट ऑन. सो नेवर माइंड, कुछ ना कुछ गलती या कुछ ना कुछ होते ही रहता है. सो नेवर माइंड. Hi guys, Happy New Year! In today's video, I will be sharing with you guys my skincare, hair care and body care favorites of 2020. So without further ado, let's get started. First up, I have cleansers, and for that I have two different cleansers with me. These are what both of the cleanser looks like. The first one right here is the Innisfree Apple Seed Deep Cleansing Foam, and this is what it looks like. And the second one right here is the Plum Green Tea Pore Cleansing Face Wash, and this is what it looks like. I love them to the core. This one right here, the Innisfree one right here is a cream finish face wash. The Plum one right here is a gel consistency, and it looks like this. It has beads in it. I hope you'll be able to see, but yeah, it has beads inside it, while the Innisfree one is of creamy texture. So this is what the Innisfree one looks like, and this is what the Plum one looks like. Both of the cleanses cleanses the skin really well. Even though I have very oily skin, this one right here, the creamy one from Innisfree, the creamy face wash from Innisfree, does not make my skin greasy or oily, and that's the very best thing that I like about this face wash. I have used this throughout the summertime, and still I have a lot of left, because I just need to take like tiny bit of the product, a pea-sized amount, and I am sorted. I switch between these two. एक दिन मैं ये यूज़ करती हूँ, एक दिन मैं ये यूज़ करती हूँ. So that's why अभी तक ये दोनों ही ख़त्म नहीं हुआ है. I will prefer to use the gel-based one during the summer time and this one during the winter time. So yeah, अच्छा खासा balance हो जाएगा, and I love both of them. Okay, next up I have toner, and for that I have the Plum Green Tea Alcohol Free Toner, and this is what it looks like. I am so surprised as to why I stopped using this, because ये बहुत ही अच्छी तरीके से मेरे फेस को टोन कर देता है. Yes, I am not using this during winter time because ये काफ़ी हद तक मेरी स्किन को ड्राई कर देगा. I am dealing with a little bit of dry skin, so I have not been using this. But summer time के लिए बहुत ही ज़्यादा बेनिफिशियल रहेगा. ये मेरी स्किन को टोन कर देगा, and above all ये एक्स्ट्रा मेकअप जो रह जाता है even after you clean your face, ये पूरा एक्स्ट्रा मेकअप को निकाल देगा. हल्का फुल्का जो बच जाता है फेस धोने के बाद भी ये पूरा निकाल देगा. सो या, आई लव दिस, एंड आई highly recommend this product to people with oily, combi and acne prone skin. Absolutely a gorgeous product. Now let's move on with moisturizers. The first one right here is the Tony Moly the Chocolate Green Tea Water Essence, and this is what it looks like. It's been a year almost since I have constantly been using this, and ये मेरा तीसरा bottle है. This is my third bottle, and you guys can see how much I love this. It's a very thin consistency wala serum. If you have very oily skin like I have during the summertime, during the very hot crushing summertime, I think you should opt for this. I love green tea, and I know this one right here has helped with my acne, with my pimple, with my dark spots, and I love this. ये summer time के लिए काफ़ी ज़्यादा अच्छा है. Although winter के time में इसे हाथ भी नहीं लगा रही. This right here does not hydrate and moisturize your skin enough during the winter time, but this is a perfect option if you are someone with very oily skin and combination skin and acne prone skin during the summertime. You can easily go ahead and purchase this to use during the summertime, not during the winter time. I love this so much. I have also done a whole review of this, so make sure to check that out. The next one right here is the M Caffeine Naked Detox Green Tea Night Gel, and this is what it looks like. I am halfway through it. I'm almost going to finish this up. I think एक या दो बार लगाने के बाद ही मैं इसे ख़त्म कर दूँगी. So yeah, this is what it looks like from the inside. आप देख पा रहे हो हल्का फुल्का बचा हुआ है. एक दो बार यूज़ करूँगी तो ये पूरा ही ख़त्म हो जाएगा. So yeah, I have been using this, and इसका भी मैंने full on review कर रखा है. लेकिन यहाँ पे डाल दूँगी, आप लोग ज़रूर चेक कर लेना. I love this, but I also have been I also have used 3-4 bottles of the Plum green tea clarity night gel, and this is what it looks like. I have used 4, I think 4, yeah, as far as I remember, I have used 4 bottles of this particular night gel, and I love it so much. So if you guys ask me कि आप कौन सा prefer करोगे, I think I will go with the plum one because I feel like ये हल्का सा और ज़्यादा thin consistency का है. It is a little bit lighter than the McAfee Night Gel one. I love Plum as a brand. They take a lot of initiative like recycling, and you can send back all of the plastic wala bottles and not the glass wala jars. You can send back their plastic wala containers, and yeah, they will recycle it and all of that. So that's why I love Plum as a brand. ये काफ़ी अच्छा moisturize करता है without making my skin greasy or oily during the summertime, which I absolutely want from this gel wala moisturizer during the summertime. Next up, I have this Wow Vitamin C face cream with hyaluronic acid and vitamin C, and this is what it looks like. I know Wow is a very controversial brand and all of that, but I actually love this. I have completely finished the Wow Vitamin C wala serum, and I am so stupid enough. I threw it away. I should have kept it, but yeah, I completely finished that up, and I love that very much. Okay, and this is the cream, and I am going to finish this up very soon. And as I said earlier, I am dealing with a little bit of dry skin, and this one right here is of great help since I do have oily skin in general, and halka abhi winter se to halka sa dry hone laga hai. So this cream right here is absolutely helping me in coping up with the dryness of my skin that I am facing right now without making my skin oily or greasy. So I absolutely love that. So yeah, this is another moisturizer that I have been loving during the winter time. And the last moisturizer that I have in this video for you guys that I have been loving for the past month, and मैंने ज़्यादा कुछ दिखाया भी नहीं है इसके बारे में. Why, I'll tell you अभी. That is the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel, and this is what it looks like. I have used quite a bit of it, but now I have stopped using it because this is a very light moisturizer meant for oily, comby and acne prone skin. So ये काफ़ी ज़्यादा suit करेगा to use during the summertime and not during the winter time. So I have stopped using it. I really wanted to try this. I got this and I have started using it. So एक महीने तक मैंने पूरा इसे यूज़ किया. All I can say is I am in love with this, but now I have stopped using it because I want to keep this so that I can make use of this very properly. How summer days में मैं इसे लगातार में हर दिन इसे लगाऊंगी and इसे टेस्ट करूंगी, and then I want to see if it actually moisturizes my skin without making my skin oily or greasy, क्योंकि समर के टाइम तो मेरा स्किन बहुत ही ज़्यादा ऑयली हो जाएगा. सो या दिस इज़ व्हाट इट लुक्स लाइक नाउ. अभी के लिए तो ऑब्वियसली दिस इज़ नॉट इनफ टू मॉइस्चराइज एंड हाइड्रेट माई स्किन ड्यूरिंग द विंटर टाइम, बट आई am loving it. मैं जब तक इसे यूज़ की, all I can say is I love the consistency, I love the texture, I love how my skin looks after I use this particular product. So yeah, that was all in terms of moisturizer. Now let's move on to face masks. The first one right here is the Innisfree Super Volcanic Pore Clay Mask, and this is the 2x one, and this is what it looks like. I have done a full review of this, so make sure to check that out. I love this product so much. It totally takes away all the gunk, the dirt off from my face, and yeah, I have not seen a huge difference. ज़्यादा visible difference मैं देखी नहीं in terms of blackheads, but yes, if I did see like 60 to 65% to 70% of my blackheads were gone after I used this product. I can't say 100%, but I would say like 70% of my blackheads were gone. My face was clean, and I love it so much. And my face, it obviously became less oily after I've used this product. So yeah, I love it so much. And price वगैरह सब कुछ स्क्रीन पर डाल दूँगी, आप लोग ज़रूर चेक कर लेना. So if you are a person with very oily, comby and acne prone skin, I will highly suggest you to go and check this out, try this out. I'm sure you're going to fall in love with this. Now if you don't have a huge budget like 1100 to spend on just a face mask, the next mask is for you guys. This is the Fab India Face Pack Clarifying and Soothing Face Mask, and this is what it looks like. Guys, if you have oily skin, combination skin and acne prone skin, pimple prone skin, you should check this out. If you are on a tight budget, if you're looking for a face mask that works tremendously amazing, and that is just under rupees 400, गेट दिस, आई गारंटी यू कि आपको कोई और मार्क्स, इतना बेहतर मार्क्स आपको 400 के नीचे कभी नहीं मिलेगा. आई गारंटी यू. दिस वन राइट हियर इज अ विनर under rupees 400. So if you guys have any other face masks that works amazing, then that is just under rupees 400, do let me know in the comments down below. I will surely love to try that out. It became hard rock, so I poured little water inside this and I mixed it up. So yeah, that's why it's looking like this. So this is what it looks like. I love this and I guarantee you कि आपको कोई और बेहतर face mask नहीं मिलेगा under rupees 400. Now let's move on to nose pack, like blackhead वाला nose pack, and I have this Innisfree Usual Volcanic nose pack. I love this so much. मैं हाल फिलहाल ही इसे यूज़ की थी अपनी बहन की nose पे and she had the worst blackheads, okay, the worst. She doesn't like do skincare and all. She's very simple. So I told her कि चलो मैं use करती हूँ. Let's see how much it can take off all the blackheads, and it literally like 100 में से मैं बोलूँगी 90% of the blackheads was gone. So it was so satisfying but gross at the same time. So होता ना कि सारा कुछ निकल जा रहा है but it's gross. So yeah, it is that good and I just have 2 left and मेरा बर्थडे आ रहा है, so मैं इसीलिए सेव कर रही हूँ ताकि मैं पूरा अपनी स्किन को प्रेप कर लूँ एंड या बर्थडे के टाइम मैं बाहर जा रही हूँ, तो इसीलिए आई एम जस्ट सेविंग ऑल ऑफ दिस अप सो दैट माई स्किन ग्लैम टाइम होता है, स्किन केयर टाइम मैं करूँगी. सो आई एम सेविंग दैट अप फॉर माई birthday. Next one right here is a pimple patch that I have used for quite some time and I am in love with this. This is the Acne Pimple Master patch and this is from Cosrx and this is what it looks like. I have used quite a bit. It has 24 patches and this is what it looks like. You get like different sizes. यहाँ पे you get the large one, यहाँ पे you get the medium one, and then here you get the smaller sizes. So this is what it looks like. I have used like 1 2 3 4 5. I have used like 5 of the smaller ones. As you guys can see, it works amazingly. मुझे लगा था कि काम नहीं करेगा, but it actually works. and जब भी मुझे लगता है कि कोई अच्छा इवेंट आ रहा है या मुझे कहीं जाना है एंड सडनली ऐसा होता है ना कि आप कहीं प्लान करो जाने का, कोई इवेंट आ रहा है एंड a pimple pops up. आप इसे रात को लगा के सो जाओ एंड सुबह उठ के आप देखोगे कि काफ़ी हद तक आपका पिम्पल घट चुका है. मुझे लगा था कि ये स्कैमी होगा, ये बिल्कुल काम नहीं करेगा, बट इट एक्चुअली वर्क. इट्स क्वाइट प्राइजी बट इट्स worth the price. Next up, I have a face scrub that I have been using for a while now, and this is the Plum Green Tea Gentle Revival face scrub, and this is what it looks like. I have again done a full-on detailed review of this, so I'll link it right here, so make sure to check it out. This one right here is such a gentle scrub. आपको लगेगा नहीं कि आप scrub कर रहे हो, but it doesn't mean कि ये बिल्कुल अपना काम नहीं कर रहा है. It's so gentle yet it exfoliates the skin so well. And this one right here is around 300 something rupees and it is absolutely worth the price. Trust me, go ahead, you're gonna fall in love with this. Next up, I have lip balms and I have these two lip balms right here. The first one right here is the Body Shop lip butter and this is in the flavor strawberry, and this is what it looks like and I love it. I have been using the strawberry variant for the longest time. I think I've been using this for a decade now, so yeah, I know it works very well. It hydrates the lips very well. So yeah, this is like an OG lip balm. Everybody has one of these inside their vanity, so this is like an OG lip balm. The second one right here is the Laneige lip sleeping mask and this is what it looks like. This is in the flavor berry. I have used one full tub of this one and I have completely finished that up. This is my newest one that I recently got. So yeah, this is what it looks like. This is my second tub. I just saw this and I'm like, I need to buy this because I know कि ये कितना बेहतरीन काम करता है. It actually hydrates the lips very well. I have chapped lips throughout the year and this has worked tremendously well for me. That's why I had to go ahead and buy this. So yeah, these two are like my OG now. I cannot go ahead without using this. I love them so much. So yeah, I love this. So if you guys ask me कि आप कौन सा ज़्यादा प्रीफर करेंगे, I think I'll go ahead and choose the Laneige one because it works extremely well for my dehydrated chapped lips. I think I'm done with face wala skincare. Let's move on to hair care and all of that stuff. Let me start with oils. The first one right here that I have used throughout 2020 is coconut oil, and I have used these two brands for a while now. The first one right here is the Max Care 100% natural and cold pressed virgin coconut oil, and this one looks like I have used like 4 to 5 bottles of the coconut oil from Max Care. I think एक साल से ज़्यादा हो चुका है मैंने लगातार इनका ही coconut oil मैंने यूज़ किया है. Recently I have been using the Merit VCO extra virgin coconut oil, and this is what it looks like. They were very kind enough to send me this whole range of coconut oil, like the sizes of the coconut oil they have, and since then I have been using their coconut oil, and as you guys can see it has already solidified because winter hai. And you guys can see I have used enough, like quite a bit of the coconut oil, and I love coconut oil, and I've seen a drastic change in the texture of my hair and how my hair looks in general. The health of my hair has completely changed. I know my hair is a lot healthier than what it used to be. And मैंने लॉकडाउन में मैंने अपना बाल यहाँ तक काटा था, and it is still here right now because I've been oiling my hair with coconut oil, and it makes a huge difference. It promotes hair growth, and that's why I love coconut oil, and that's why I don't have any issues even if I chop my hair, because I know I use coconut oil in the right way to get benefits from it. You guys can use coconut oil in many different ways. Again मैंने Merit VCO का पूरा रिव्यू कर रखा है, हाल ही में मैंने इसका रिव्यू किया है. So again I'll link the video right here, so make sure you check that out. Next up I have a spray which is used in order to protect your hair when you heat style it, and I have the Bib Blunt Hot Shot Heat Protection Hair Mist, and this is what it looks like. I love this to decor. Since the day I got this, I have been using this whenever I sit down to heat style my hair. I haven't seen anything this good in this price range. So this is for 550 rupees, and it is worth every penny. It works amazingly. I think you should go ahead and check this out. Again मैंने इसका पूरा रिव्यू कर रखा है, so make sure to check this out. Next up I have two different shampoo and conditioner that I have used throughout 2020, and I think these are going to be my favorites for a very long time. The first one right here is obviously the Herbal Essence BioRenew Repair Argan Oil of Morocco shampoo and conditioner, and this is what both of the product looks like. I love them to the core. I am going to finish the conditioner very soon. मैं कोशिश करती हूँ कि मैं कंडीशनर ज़रूर लगाऊँ, क्योंकि विंटर के टाइम काफ़ी ज़्यादा ड्राई हो जाता है. आई मेक श्योर टू ऑलवेज कीप माई हेयर हाइड्रेटेड एंड कंडीशन. सो आई एम हाफ वे थ्रू माई कंडीशनर, एंड बहुत ही जल्द मैं कंडीशनर ख़त्म करने वाली हूँ. सो या आई लव देम टू द कोर. आई थिंक इट इज़ वर्थ एवरी पेनी. मैंने सेल के टाइम ख़रीदा था. ईच ऑफ देम इट वाज फॉर लाइक 650 and 600 rupees, but I got both of them for like 650 or 99. I don't remember. मैंने काफ़ी टाइम हो चुका है मैंने इसे ख़रीदा हुआ है. So yeah, grab this on whenever there is a sale. Grab it. You're going to fall in love with this. The next shampoo and conditioner that I have here are the Wishcare Fermented Rice Water Shampoo and Wishcare Fermented Rice Water Conditioner. This is what it looks like. I have been using the shampoo. I have been really liking this combination of using the rice water wala shampoo and the Moroccan oil wala conditioner. I have been using them, and that's why I'm already going to finish the shampoo, the Wishcare wala shampoo and the Moroccan oil wala conditioner. I have been using these two combination, and it has been working tremendously amazing. I love it so much, and I have been saving this up because I have been using the argan oil wala shampoo. I have been saving this up ताकि मैं इन दोनों का combination बना के मैं इन दोनों को यूज़ कर पाऊँ, like the Moroccan वाला shampoo and the rice water वाला conditioner. I love both of these conditioners. एंड शैम्पू टू द कोर. एंड अगेन मैंने इन दोनों का पूरा रिव्यू कर रखा है, आप लोग ज़रूर जाके चेक कर लेना. आई विल लिंक ईच एंड एवरी वीडियो दैट आई हैव मेंशन इन टू दिस वीडियो. डिस्क्रिप्शन में जाके ज़रूर चेक करना. नेक्स्ट अप आई हैव हेयर सीरम एंड दिस इज़ व्हाट I've got. The first one right here is the Beauty Co Argan Baobab Oil Hair Serum. The next one is the Vela CR Oil Reflections Hair Serum, and this is what both of the product looks like. I love them to the core. Whenever I feel like I have to make sure that my hair looks sleek and tidy and I don't want hair flies, that's when I use this one. It totally manages my hair. I love it to the core, and since this is quite expensive, I tend to use it whenever I feel like बहुत ही ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट मेरा बाल देखना चाहिए, टिप टॉप देखना चाहिए, तभी मैं इसे यूज़ करती हूँ. अदरवाइज आई रेगुलरली यूज दिस ऑल द टाइम. I am halfway through it, and you just have to take like pea-sized amount of the product and spread it out, and it will manage your hair. Your hair will be frizz-free and all of that. So yeah, I love this serum to the core, and I've used them throughout 2020. Lastly, I have this underarm roll-on deodorant, and this is the Rexona Powder Dry Underarm Odor Protection deodorant, and this is what it looks like. If you are a sweaty person, trust me, I sweat a hell lot during the summertime, and if you are someone like me who sweats a lot, this is a savior for you. It's very embarrassing जब आपको पूरा underarm का पूरा shirt या area पूरा भीग जाता है when you sweat, so it's very embarrassing. Use this. आपको पसीने आएगा ही नहीं. I am telling you guys, trust me, go ahead and buy the smaller size one, and I think that retails for like 65 to 70 rupees. आप जाके छोटा वाला ख़रीद के आप चेक कर लेना कि मैं झूठ बोल रही हूँ किस साइज़ बोल रही हूँ. छोटा वाला ख़रीद के ट्राई कर लेना, एंड आप ज़रूर देखोगे कि आपका अंडर आर्म बिल्कुल पसीने से बिल्कुल वेट नहीं हो रहा, एंड इट इज़ कम्प्लीटली ड्राई एंड ओडर फ्री. सो यार, दैट completes my beauty favorites of 2020. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video, and if you do, make sure you like my video, subscribe कर देना मेरे channel को, also hit the bell to get notified every single time I upload a new video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.